Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm cooking up spicy fried eggs with black fungus and yellow chives. So let's review the ingredients. This is dried black fungus that's been soaked in hot water for about 20 minutes. And it looks like this. And I'm using 3/4 cups dried, and it yields about 6 ounces, and it more than doubles up in volume. And here I have yellow chives. And yellow chives are milder and sweeter than the green chives, and it has a slightly garlicky taste. I have green onions, a piece of carrot, garlic, eggs, seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and I'm using the Godmother brand fried chili in oil. For the prep, let's start with the eggs. Give it a good whisk. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt and some sesame oil. Give it another mix. Okay, so that's done. Let's put this aside. Next, let's cut the chives. We'll cut them into about 1-inch sections. And we'll slice the carrots. I'm going to slice it, cut in half, and just thinly slice it in a diagonal. Okay. Next, let's mince the garlic. Okay. And lastly, we'll cut the green onions. Cut at an angle, about 1/4 inch. And for the black fungus, just see if there's large pieces. If so, you can just, just break them in half. But these are fairly small, so I'm going to leave it. And if you need to, if there's a hard stem, you can remove it. But all of these are good. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, have the pan set at a medium-high heat. I'm going to add a generous amount of oil. And this is going to allow the eggs to really puff up. Cook the eggs to a soft scramble. Don't overcook it. And this looks good, so remove it from the pan. We'll add extra oil to the pan. Add the garlic. We'll add the carrots. Add the fungus. We'll add the chives. We'll add seasoning salt. And don't worry, the black fungus pops with the oil. Sesame oil. And the Shaoxing wine. Give this a good toss.
for about 30 seconds. We'll return the eggs. Break it up a little bit. And we'll add the chili. Add as much or as little chili as you like. And just toss that for like 15 seconds. We'll add the green onion. And just toss it for another 15 seconds and this is done. Turn off the heat. And let's plate this.
And here we have a plate of spicy fried eggs with black fungus and yellow chives. The fluffy eggs adds a wonderful contrast to the crisp, crunchy texture of the black fungus. You get a bit of a garlic flavor from the yellow chives and a bit of heat from the spicy chili oil. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. She likes eggs and black fungus. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.